This is the blade set I purchased from the supermarket. It comes in a beautiful, nice packing. It was technically highly technical packing. There's a bit of engineering involved in this. To open this, I tried open with these slots, but it isn't opening. I find some notch here sliding. There's one notch here and there's one button here. Let us try to discover this something. It's the magnet I'm using. If I put this on this, I'm getting a click sound. Okay, there could be some spring-like thing in this thing. Let's try and open it. I'll use this cutter. There's a small spring here. This come out, and once it is come out, this notch is there. Just pull this side, this comes out. So we'll lock it. Not locked. If you want to remove it, then again you put a magnet. Simple.